Hi everyone, my name is Andrew and I would like to welcome you to my very first Arduino tutorial pertaining to my Microclimate Sensor Array project that I'll be working on this semester at my university. Today I will be showing you how to hook up a Dallas temperature sensor to a breadboard in an Arduino. I will then show you everything you need to do to start taking data. Let's get started. So today we are going to be doing a Dallas temperature sensor hookup. And for this, we're going to need one Dallas temperature sensor, and we are going to need two ground hookups, well, two jumper wires for ground hookups, two jumper wires for power hookup, and one jumper wire for data hookup. And then we're also going to need a 10,000 ohm resistor. So to get started with this, let's go ahead and clear everything out of our way, and we'll bring our Arduino in. So now that we're set up, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and focus on getting our Dallas temperature sensor hooked up. So this is what we want. We want the power end of our Dallas temperature sensor to be hooked up first. We want our data in the middle, and we want our ground to be the last. The resistor is going to go in the same column as the power pin. And then the other leg of the resistor is going to go in the same column as the data pin. Take it like this, and I like to just go ahead and ground and power my strips on the sides of the breadboards I'm using, because more often than not, I'm not going to be using a singular sensor. In this case, I am, so I could just go ahead and not do this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways. So now, we're going to connect the ground pin to the ground, and then we're going to connect the power over here to the power. And now we need to decide which of the data pins that we're going to want to use on the Arduino, and I'm just going to go with data pin 3. And now this is the hookup for the Dallas temperature sensor. And now this is everything that you need to run the Arduino code that I will supply a link to on GitHub. Okay, everyone. So the very first thing that we're going to want to do after we get our Dallas temperature sensor hooked up is we're going to want to install a couple libraries that we're going to need. So the first library that we're going to want to install by going to Sketch, Include Library, and Manage Libraries is OneWire. So we're going to go ahead and type that in the top right hand corner. And if we go down a little bit, we'll see this one right here by Jim, Tom, and Robin. We'll go ahead and install that if we don't already have it installed. And then we're going to need one more, and that's called Dallas Temperature. And now, this right here by Miles, Tim, and Galt is going to be the library that we need. So if we don't already have that one, go ahead and install that one as well. And once that one finishes installing, go ahead and close the library manager. Now, we are going to go to my GitHub page that the link is in the description, and we're going to click on this single Dallas sensor hookup. And now we're going to want to go to OneWire address finder, and we're going to open this INO file here, which is this right here. And now each of these Dallas temperature sensors has its own unique bit address, which we need to look up in order to use on the code that actually takes the data from the sensor. So we're going to go ahead and upload the code, and we're going to use the serial monitor. Okay, so the OneWire device address is this code right here. So we're going to want to copy that, and we can close the address finder. And now we're going to want to go back and open the single Dallas folder and open that single Dallas INO file, which happens to be right here. Now, we're going to go and we're going to change our device address, which is right here, to the one that we just found that is specific to this one sensor. And now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and save and run the file. And once we upload this file, we should start gathering temperatures. Alright, 23.62 seems good. This is Celsius, by the way. I just picked up the sensor, so we should start seeing a little bit of spike in the temperature here. Okay, good. So we know that our sensor is working well and it's responding to me picking it up. The room temperature right now is about 23 degrees Celsius and it's steadily rising. So that's good. We know that we have a sensor that works. And that's about all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them. And then in my next video, I'm going to be showing how to hook up 3 of these all at once. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you want to be updated for each video I put out. Thank you.